Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Managing your employee benefits, like a 401k, doesn't have to be complicated, especially when you're using QuickBooks Desktop. This guide will walk you through each step of setting up your 401k plan right inside your accounting software. You'll learn how to create the necessary payroll items, link them to the correct accounts, and effortlessly manage contributions for your team members. It's all about making your payroll process smoother and more accurate. First, let's set up the company's portion of the 401k contribution. You'll go to the payroll item list, then select New. Choose Custom Setup and then Contribution, specifying it as a retirement plan. Be sure to link it to the correct vendor, which is your 401k provider, and the appropriate liability account where these contributions will accumulate. This ensures your company's matching funds are tracked properly. Now, for the employee side of the 401k, you'll create another payroll item. Again, go to the payroll item list and choose New, but this time select Deduction, still under Retirement Plan. You'll need to specify whether this is a pre-tax or post-tax deduction, which is crucial for tax calculations. Remember to link it to the same vendor and liability account as the company contribution, keeping everything organized. Linking these payroll items to the right accounts is absolutely vital for accurate financial reporting. Both the company contribution and the employee deduction items should point to a 401k liability account. This account holds the funds until they are paid out to your 401k provider. Additionally, your company's contribution will need to be linked to an expense account, accurately showing your business's cost for this employee benefit. This connection ensures everything balances. Finally, once your payroll items are all set up, you'll need to assign them to the relevant employees. Go into each employee's payroll information and add both the company contribution and the employee deduction items, specifying their individual percentages or fixed amounts. When you run payroll, QuickBooks will now automatically calculate and track both your company's contributions and employee deductions. It makes managing your 401k plan through payroll much easier and completely integrated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.